Students, in our last class, we started cotton clothes. Cotton clothes. Why we wear cotton clothes? Because it keeps us cool in the summer season. And what are the clothes we discussed? Frock, shirt, then skirt, pant, shorts. These are the things we discussed. Students, do you know in some parts of India there is very hot. In Chennai, have you heard the name Chennai? Chennai is a city or place where hot is more. So these people, what they wear? They wear mostly cotton clothes because it keeps us cool. And where from we get this cotton? We get cotton from cotton plant. We get cotton from cotton plant. Cotton plants. Now, whether directly we can make the clothes, because it is like a flower only. Inside the flower this cotton is there. Whether can we make anything? No. So what people do? They make it a thread, and it is called cotton yarn. Have you seen the thread, bundle of thread? It is called yarn. So first from the cotton plant we get the cotton and we make it thread, and after that the clothes are made. So this way these yarns, cotton yarns, that is the thread people use to make cotton clothes. Now clothes in winter. Clothes in winter. So students, what we wear in winter? We wear jackets, sweater, woolen cap, socks, hand gloves. So these things we wear in winter season because it is very cold. So these clothes keep us warm. That means we don't feel coldness. Now, why we wear this? To protect ourselves from cold weather. So for cold weather we use what clothes? It is winter clothes. For cold weather we use winter clothes. That means the woolen clothes we wear. And muffler also we use. So many things we wear. So wool is used to make woolen clothes. So for the woolen clothes, what we use? We use wool. And where from we get this wool? We get wool mainly from sheep. Wool we get from sheep. Have you seen sheep? From the sheep only we get wool. What we wear? It is made up of wool. Some other animals also give us wool, such as rabbit, goat, goat and yak also. So we get wool from sheep, rabbit, goat and yak. And these clothes For what we use? To keep us warm in the cold weather. Now next comes in rainy season. Nowadays we see that most of the days it is raining. So if we go out, what we wear? So clothes that protect us from the rain are collectively called rainwear. So it is called rainwear. It is called rainwear. That means what we use in the rain, it is called rainwear. So this includes raincoat, raincoat we use, yes or no? If we go out in the rain, then what we use? Raincoat. Then jacket also we use, and rain pants. And rain pants also we use. Alright? Students, do you know how the rainwear is made? Rainwear is made up of waterproof materials. That means materials means the things which is used, and waterproof means the water cannot go inside this. It is called waterproof. So waterproof materials means things are used to make the rainwear, and these are rubber and plastic. This rubber and plastic is used to make raincoat, then sometimes cap also, and we wear gumboot also. If we go out, so our water cannot go inside our toes or feet, so that is why we wear gumboot also. And rainwear means the things which we wear to protect us from the rain. When you go to school, what you wear? You wear clothes, but it is different from your other clothes. What you have at home, it is different from that clothes. Why? Because it is same for all the students in a school. That is called uniform. So this is called uniform. Uniform means when some people in a group wear, all the people of a group wear same clothes, it is called uniform. So what are the uniforms people use? Some policemen is there, their clothes are same, all the policemen's dress are same. Army, their clothes are also same, wherever you go, army's dress are same only, dresses are same. Then nurse, if you go to hospital, all the nurses wear same dress. Then firemen, if you go to outside also, firemen's dresses are same only. So like that, many uniforms people wear. So these are called uniforms. Now clothes. Students, we see that different parts of India, people wear different clothes. Suppose in Assam the dresses are different from other states. If you go to Punjab, you will find that their dresses are different. If you go to West Bengal or if you go to Delhi, so people wear different clothes. It is called regional clothes. Regional clothes. You can see in your book, you can see here some pictures are given. First, it is the dress of Jammu and Kashmir. Second, it is Mizoram. That means in Mizoram people wear this type of dresses. Punjab, these are Punjabi people. Rajasthan, this dress they wear. West Bengal, this dress. Tamil Nadu, this dress. And some other also wear in other parts, other dresses they wear. Try to find out, or you can ask your grandfather, grandmother or any elder people. So they will describe you how people wear dresses in different parts. And if you go to outside of our Assam, you can find, you can see. And here also you can see African people. In Africa, people wear this dress. In Japan, it is the popular dress of Japan. In Dubai, people wear these dresses. So these are the dresses people wear in different parts of India. So students, you read the chapter, you will understand all the things, watch the video, okay? So attentively you see the, or you watch the video, you listen it, you can understand it. We have finished our chapter here today. We will do the exercises on the next day. Thank you.